Is he able to get tackle down the Jacob?
Well, we don't want to find out. So, larger cat, larger diet. This guy gets 12 pounds of meat 6 days a week.
That's a lot of chicken.
It is. Jacob, don't tell him.
Do not tell me.
I think he got all Jacob's chicken.
Hey, Jacob.
I didn't make the diet, so they can't do that.
Hey, Jacob. You took one.
So you're going to see this guy is a lot more anxious in eating of the three. He doesn't have ladies to hunt for him like Jacob, so he is all by himself and he has to depend on himself to eat at the end of the day. So he is going to be a lot more protective and aggressive over it because he doesn't know when it is he's going to eat again next.
How do you feed that?
Same way. Now do you think I should stand him up too?
No.
Yes. No? Okay, I'm going to go with that.
Yes. No.
Okay, we're coming. Wow.
What happens if you bite your finger?
Then I'll be very sad.
Bite your finger off.
No, I got it.
Blood on it.
I know that sign's in my way. Alright. Are you ready, Hobbers?
We don't want to do it. Are we going to get a chance to feed this guy?
Of course. So he doesn't have to get in a special stance to protect his food. He actually doesn't know if he wants to sit or lay down. He's in between because he just wants to gobble it up as fast as he can.
What's your most dangerous animal? Probably that one.
Okay. Anybody want to start us up? Want to give someone else a chance to go first? One of the ladies want to go first? Well, they're pointing to you. I guess it's you. Not that you're a lady. You're just Okay, we're coming.
Hey. Hey, give him some chicken. Next time, give him the blood one.
Okay. Well, it's going to happen regardless, I promise. Don't feel bad for Indy in the back. He's going to eat in just a minute.
Yeah, I was just thinking he's patient.
Is that another boy tiger?
It is.
Is that one bigger than that one, though?
He is. He's about 600 pounds.
Are you ready? Thank you.
Does anybody have any questions about Hobbs so far?
What? Wait. How tall can he stand up to?
Well, that's over 6 feet, so I'm going to guess between 7 and 8.
Oh, I wanted to do that. Oh, that one has some more blood on it.
Give it a good hard shove.
And it's big. How come they always... How come
He
they
might
always...
take that one away. That's a good one. No?
There's a lot of bone on it, so he's busy crunching down on that.
This is true.
How come he always goes to the bathroom on the edges, not in the middle?
Just like a cat at your house. They go to the litter box in one spot, so do these guys.
Well, my cat at my grandma's...
Well, they're supposed to.
He's not a smart cat at all. But the other one is very smart.
Maybe his litter box is in a spot that makes him nervous.
Like in the laundry.
Exactly. That scares a lot of cats. They like peace and quiet when they go
Well,
there.
actually, that's where it is.
Well, might need to
What about when
reevaluate.
it's off?
When it's off? Well, they don't know that. They just know the big scary machine scares them when they try to go to the bathroom.
That one. How come now is not as rowdy?
Are they sharing this bowl or is that just for him?
This is just for him.
Well, how come my other one, the other one, just goes when it has to, and isn't as scared. It goes where it has to.
I don't know. I missed that. I'm sorry. What?
The other one goes where it has to, even when it's on.
Oh. Well, you know, they're all different.
Maybe the other one's smarter.
Everybody else, you guys good back there? You just enjoying
the
it? Feel free to jump on in.
Don't feed me trash.
Oh yeah, we'll go right now.
Yeah.
You want to do it.
Wait, I don't get to do it, Josh. You can do it in the beginning. Yeah. I want to do one with chicken.
Well, I don't have that much chicken. You guys already did a chicken. I know, but we have other people that want
We have these two ladies right here that want to. Can they have a turn?
I know. It's like, no, they can't have a turn.
Wait, are you going?
Yeah, and then there's one more girl too.
I
They
have
have to
two
be
just
sharing
for
today,
them.
okay?
I'm sorry.
Oh, it's her turn now.